Very good morning, my class students. Our running topic is statistics. So from that, I am going to explain some important questions. Listen well. The blood groups of 36 students of 9th class are recorded as follows. So here 36 students blood groups are recorded. So this one represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table and find the most common and rarest blood groups from the table. Solution. To make into frequency distribution table. First, what are the observations here? Here observations are blood groups. So from the data, how many blood groups are there here? A and B and O and AB. So A blood group, B blood group students, O blood group students and AB blood group students. Next, tally of marks. See, first count A blood group persons. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 and 10. So 10 students, they have A group, A blood group. 10 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Frequency. Check on the B blood group students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So B blood group. 9 students have B blood group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Then after O blood group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 students, they have O blood group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then after AB blood group, how many are there here? 1 and 2. 1, 2, so 2. So total 36. So from the table, what is the most common blood group? O is a most common blood group. Then what about the rarest blood group? There is nothing but AB. Is equal to AB. The marks of 30 students of a class obtained in a test out of 75 are given below. Form the frequency distribution table by taking equal class intervals. Here, what is the hint here? 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Okay, here, first of all, class interval 0 to 10. Next, 10 to 20. Next, 20 to 30. Next, 30 to 40. Next, 40 to 50. Next, 50 to 60. Next 60 to 70. Then after tally of marks. And frequency 0 to 10. So between 0 to 10, how many students are there? Just you have to count it. Only here one student, that is nothing but 7. So between 0 to 10, only one student, that is nothing but 1. Then after 10 to 20, 10 to 20 means count up to 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. So only 4 students. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 20 to 30. 20 to 30. 20 to 30 means 1. 2. 3. Only 3 students. 1, 2 and 3. Next 30 to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 students. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7 students. Next 40 to 50. 1. 40 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 students. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. 7 students. Next 50 to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students. Next step between 60 and 70. What is the remaining here? 60 and 70. 1 students. Only there is 1 student. Next 70 to 80. Why? Because highest mark is 75. 0 and 0. So this is called the grouped frequency distribution table. Next, mean of ungrouped frequency distribution by using deviation method. So in deviation method, what is the formula to find mean? A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So to find the mean by using deviation method, formula is A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. In this, what is the meaning of A? A is nothing but assumed mean. D is equal to deviation. To find the DA, what is the formula? Xi minus A. So find the mean of the following table by using deviation method. X and F. X means 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and 22. Then what about the frequencies here? 4, 5, 8, 10. 4, 5, 8, 10. Then 7, 4, 2. Next, I need DI. DI means deviation. To find the value of D, so from the observations you have to take any one as assumed mean. To find the value of D. What is the formula? D is equal to Xi minus A. A means assumed mean. So from the X column, you have to take any one as assumed mean. What is the highest frequency here? 10. So 16 I am taking as assumed mean. Then what is the D? Xi minus A. What is the value of X? 10 minus 16 is equal to minus 6. Then after X means 12. 12 minus 16 is equal to minus 4. Then after 14, 14 minus 16 is equal to minus 2. Then after 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Next 18 minus 16 is equal to 2. 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. Then after 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. Next, what I need here? Fi and Di. So to find the Fi and Di, you have to find the product of Fi and also D. So from this column, what is the value of the 4? 4 into minus 6 is equal to minus 24. Then after 5 into minus 4 is equal to minus 20. Next 8 into minus 2 is equal to minus 16. 10 into 0 is equal to 0. Next 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Now from that you may add positive values on one side, negative values on one side. So what are the negative here? 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50. It is nothing but minus 60. Then positive values 10, 20, 30, 42. Sigma Fi Di is equal to minus 60 plus 42 is equal to minus 18. What is the value of the sigma Fi Di? Minus 18. Next to what I need here? Sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is nothing but 40. Next, now from the box, sigma Fi is equal to 40 and also sigma Fi Di is equal to minus 18. Mean is equal to, what is the formula? A plus sigma Fi Di by sigma Fi. A means assumed mean. What is that? 16 plus sigma Fi Di minus 18. By 40. Cancel this 0 and keep the decimal. 16 minus 1.8 by 4. 4 4s are 16. Remain 2. 4 5s are. So it is 16 minus 0.45. 16 minus 0.45. It is nothing but 15.55. What is the mean of the table? 15.55. Find the mean of following table by using deviation method. X and F values are there.